Hi, I'm Terry, and this is Ask Mr. Locksmith. Today's question is, it's a good one. Is it illegal to make a key or duplicate a key that says do not copy? In most cases, no. Here's the problem. They stick the do not copy or do not duplicate on common keys. Kwikset, one of the most common keys out there, and I've seen do not copy on it. Sometimes there's regulations as a locksmith shop. Sometimes if it says do not copy or do not duplicate and it's just a common key, we just have a form you fill out which show your ID saying that you're allowed to have that key cut. Now if we have some high security keys, and they usually have patents, and what you do, the locksmith has a contract with the manufacturer not to cut keys or he'll lose his contract or be fined. So that key, because there's a patent and you have key control, so you don't even have to put do not copy on that because no locksmith will cut a high security key that he has the potential to lose his license, his ability to sell that key. So restricted high security keys are covered by a patent and usually covered by a contract between the manufacturer and the locksmith company. So if you have a high security Medico, multi-locks, the Abloys, Abloys require a special machine to cut, and so do the multi-locks. So your average corner hardware store or your shoe store usually cannot cut a high security key because he doesn't have the contract with the supplier to buy the key blanks. And if he did, and you're not his customer and you don't have signing authority, they're not going to cut it. But to ask, is it illegal? No. However, in where I live, there's a legislation that if it says do not copy, we're supposed to get identification saying they can have it. So with restricted keys, it requires either you are a key card holder that you can get that key, or you're registered to get keys from that system, and it's only from the locksmith that sold you that system. And this protects the high schools, universities, businesses, that they can get a key that's patented and has key control that you can't get it. Is it illegal? No. Is it against the rules of your contract with your manufacturer? Yes, it is, and that's going to be your biggest penalty. For a real locksmith is not going to cut that key at all because he doesn't want to put in jeopardy his ability to buy more of those keys. So I hope I answered your question. If you have any questions, just put it in the comments. I read the comments. If I see a good one or something that's interesting, I will most likely make a future video. So put it in the comments section. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.